The ritual begins in the temple of Lord Shiva. Hair tied in a bun, adorned with jasmine flowers, draped in a sambalpuri sari, kumkum embraced on the forehead, chaperoned with the commotion of ghungroos. Prayers are offered to Lord Jagannath and Shiva, the dancing god. Some might name them as Odissi dancers, Maharis, or Devadasis. But this is Pritam Mahapatra, a Gotipur dancer, a man married to Lord Jagannath through the fire of dance.
ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ 4 ବର୍ଷରେ ନାଚ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ଆସିଥିଲି ମୋ ବାପା ମା ମୋତେ ଏଠାରେ ଏଇ ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନରେ ଛାଡ଼ିକି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ନାଚ ମଧ୍ୟ ଶିଖିଥିଲି 4 ବର୍ଷରୁ ହିଁ ମୋର ନାଚ ଶିଖିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିଲା।
Goti in Odia means single and Pur means boy. The Gotipur dance appears to have originated during the reign of Prataparudra Deva AD 1497 to 1540 and gained popularity in the subsequent Muslim period. They are boys who begin their training at the tender age of 4 and continue till they hit puberty. Men performing Gotipur consider themselves married to Lord Jagannath and serve as Devadasis to the Supreme God through their art.
पल्लवी ओडिसी में शास्त्रीय नृत्य हो जाने के बाद पल्लवी नाम दिया हुआ है, लेकिन हम लोग का जो गुरुजी पुराना गुरुजी हैं उन लोग बोलते थे सारेगामा। तो वो टाइम में तो राग ये सब नहीं जानते थे ना गुरुजी, एक गाने का स्वर के लेके कर देते थे, उसको पल्लवी शास्त्रीय नृत्य में पल्लवी बोला। अभिनय तो अभिनय होता है, मुख्य नृत्य में होता है क्या है, मुख्य नृत्य में वो लोग बोल परन दे के ओडिसी नृत्य में ये क्या है, हम लोग का ओडिसी नृत्य थोड़ा सा बोल परन है मुख्य नृत्य में, लेकिन उसमें हम लोग ठाकुर को जो गांव के घुमा के लेके उसके बाद विदाई देते हैं हम लोग, उसको मुख्य नृत्य हम बोलते हैं। उसका गाना भी दूसरा होता है, ओडिसी नृत्य में गाना दूसरा होता है, इसमें गाना दूसरा है जो मुख्य नृत्य होता है। हाँ, इसमें गोटीपुर में हम लोग का गाना क्या है, कदम मूले विजय मुरली पानी कोटिरे तार किंकी, ठाकुर जो विराजते हैं गांव के तरफ, यहाँ कटी में दौड़ी दे के बंधा जाता है, तो उसको ढीला करके ठाकुर आप आइए घर पे, ये होता है हम लोग का गोटीपुर का मुख्य नृत्य। अच्छा, और बोलते हैं जो गोटीपुर में बस बहुत कुछ जिनिस नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत कुछ ओडिसी जो शास्त्रीय नृत्य आज हुआ है, एक गोटीपुर में जो नृत्य होता था उसको लेके ही किया है।
1 hour away from Puri district in Odisha is a small village named Khajuria, where Guru Gautam Mahapatra has kept the authentic Gotipur practice alive. Music shapes the crucial posture of Gotipur dance. It stands out as a dance form where each dancer sings while performing, demanding exceptional breath control. The regular practice of songs in Odisha began with Ashtapadis of Jayadev in the 12th century. Music and poetry went hand in hand in the beginning of the 15th century, which left behind an enormous repository of musical poetry.
नमस्कार, मु श्रीमती सुजाता महापात्र, जड़े ओडिसी नृत्य शिल्पी। ओडिसी मोर जीवन, मोर निशा एवं मोर पेशा।
छंद जानिलो सखी से नंद राजार टिकी पिलाटी से टिकी पिलाटी केड़े छंद जानिलो सखी
Male dancer doesn't want to do classical form of dance. It is partly correct, partly not, because there are those who works on doing their career in dance, so they definitely do. But जो माने तांको career करी कि successful है पारी नांती, they have to leave. And the another thing, dance रे बहुत, because it's a rich culture, so you have to spend lots of money. Even if a costume, even if whatever, but a male dancer to survive kariba, it's not an easy work. And how long they can do only tuitions and all that, because a dancer खाली ट्यूशन पैसा रे निजे स्टांड हेकरी निज नाचटा को रखिबा एते सहज नुहे गोटे जॉब जदि करथिबो जदि पाठ पढिथिबो ताले से माने एनफ सपोर्ट पाइबो फाइनेंशियली फ्रॉम द जॉब सो ऑब्वियसली ही विल चूज व्हाटएवर is convenient for him, because if you want to spend money he has to get a job, and if he has to get a job then he have to spend lots of time for that job. And से जॉब जेतेबेले सरी की आसला परे सेतेबेले बॉडी रे एनर्जी रहिबा दरकार जे तमे अभ्यास करिकि डांस फॉर्म टाको बंचेई रखिबा. सो इट्स ए टफ टास्क.
Historically, Gotipur is observed to be an art stipulated to male dancers. However, in the contemporary period, we notice a change in the pattern. Unlike its etymology, Gotipur is now performed by women too. Guru Purnachandra Barik, who runs a Gurukul in Bhingarpul village near Bhubaneswar, has now been teaching Gotipur to girls, keeping the family principle and tradition alive. Theoretically, there is no presence of opposition against girls practicing Gotipur. However, there are few critics against this.
As a society, we need to change, isn't it? It's all these regressive thoughts that's creating so much problems, I think, in our country. You know, thinking a man has to be like a man, and if a man is a little effeminate, or a man doesn't, what is effeminate? I mean, come on, man, why not? And I think that the feminine side of a man is such an attractive thing. So why not? And we talk about liberty and equality and feminism. Then what does it all have a meaning if you are going to be sort of giving into that patriarchal frame of mind and the thought? So it's not only the men, it's also the women who have to change their thought processes, their way of thinking. We can't keep putting down men who, dance and, laughing at them. These are very, very wrong things.
गो राधा माधव चाली देखो गो मणि विमान आसे झूली झूली देखो गो राधा माधव चाली देखो गो विविध बाजणा वीर काहाली विविध बाजणा वीर काहाली विजय कले गोपदा डौ चूड़ी देख गो आग सखी देख गो राधा माधव चाली देख गो नरेन्द्र सरकु करिण मन चाप खेलती मदन मोहन चाप खेलती मदन मोहन देख गो आग सखी देख गो राधा माधव चाली देख गो।